Gary from Columbus, Ohio, has a strange valve problem.
He found it while looking for homes to buy, Tom. Gary writes, the water heater on one of the homes had some kind of valve on the cold water inlet that had a tube that drained. He sent a picture of it to us so we can see it. I don't know if you can see it. This is the inlet to the water heater, and there's this tube coming off of it. And he says it was constantly running, and I don't know what this valve is doing or why it's there or what have you. He wants your opinion. What do you think it's for?
I'd have to trace it, but I'm assuming if it's not going to some fixture like an ice maker or something, somebody jerry-rigged something up, that it's a circulation system on the water heater.
Oh.
But I don't have enough info there to tell you exactly what it is, but that's what I suspect it is. It's a circulation where the hot water is getting put back into the system.
Okay.
Okay, so you always have hot water in the pipes, so when you turn your water on the hot side, you have just about instant hot water.
Yeah, so see if there's a recirculating pump.
Yeah, it's got to dump back in, so it's constantly circulating.
And the other clue you gave him is trace it down, see where it goes.
Yeah, I have a feeling that's what it is.
Or maybe it goes to an ice maker.
Well, I saw one once. That's why I brought that up. Some guy jerry-rigged an ice maker thing because he couldn't figure out how to get water to it.
Always good for a party. And that's
okay,
and you're in Columbus, Ohio. It's a college town, so maybe that's the deal.
I just think since it's next to the water heater, it probably is not an ice maker, but I thought I'd bring it up anyway.
It could happen. You know?
Okay.
Anything's possible, especially in Columbus, Ohio. All right, do you have a question? You ever been?
I'm good with that. No.
It's a great little town. Anyway, if you got a question, you want to send us a question, just send it to us. Go to HomeShowRadio.com, click on that Ask Tom button. We'll post your answer just like these, and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.
Douglas from Katy has a question about a rental warranty.
Yeah, he's about to rent out his house.
Oh.
So it's not him, it's for his tenant. Douglas writes, the house is about 16 years old, so I wonder if there's a home warranty company out there that you would trust or recommend, because I won't be nearby, he says, and I want a reliable source of support for appliances and such. If they need help, I want my tenants to trust that there's help when they need it. What's your advice?
I don't know of a home warranty system that I would buy, especially if it's a rental thing. Because if you run into emergencies and stuff, it's not going to help. That's why a property manager to manage your property, even though you give them a few bucks off the top, if you're not going to be around and be the active landlord, I think is a better way to go. And if you get a property manager, they're going to have people they need to call when the time comes to call somebody. I think you're better off as a landlord that way.
I think it's a call to Bruce Lessie at Houston for Lease.
That's the beauty of having someone manage your property, is because you're going to be away. If you're living next door in town and you wanted to do it, that's fine.
For a while.
But
you'd get tired of it quick.
You know, to pay a property manager to take care of that, because when you have a renter and let's say your air conditioner breaks in August and it's 2 a.m, they want someone there at 2 a.m, or 3 a.m, at least give them an hour. But so on and so forth.
No, I want them to appear instantly, like a genie.
And you call home warranty and they're going to schedule it down the road. It's not going to help you and your renter at all. So I would say don't do it.
Yeah, in fact, you don't know what kind of nitwit they're going to send out from the warranty company. You'll be the lowest bidder guy.
Well, and they're always going to try to upsell. And he's not. They're not talking to the homeowner. They're talking to a renter who has no authority to do anything.
Exactly.
So that's why it gets to be a mess. So
but even more to the point, the idea that, and the other thing about Bruce and Houston for Lease, what they do is they not only take care of those kind of problems, but every now and then they do what I would call a welfare check on your house.
Yes.
They stop by now and then to make sure that your house isn't getting trashed, and if you wind up with a toxic tenant, they get rid of them, and all that.
Yeah, that's a lot to being a landlord. That unless you're going to be active all the time, hire someone. People say, "Oh, I got to pay for them." Yeah, but they're taking care of it. You make a little bit less, but you're still making money each month.
Right, and that's probably a better way to go than way better than a warranty.
I would.
You got a question? We will warranty an answer for you. Just go ahead and send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom button. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.